Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create an AI avatar. So let's begin the video. At first, open your web browser, then search for heygen.com. Once you're on the website, sign into your account or create a new one by clicking Get Started for free. Once you're inside, click on Video Agent. Then click on Avatar from here. Then under public avatars, you will see create avatar option. Click on the drop down and here you can clone a real person. This will allow you to capture a picture of you or you can upload the photo. Let's upload the photo. Now name your avatar, then click on create. Next, in the text box, type or paste the script you want the avatar to say. Then click on submit. This will take a few moments. Wait while the AI creates your video. The processing time will depend on the length of your script and the tool's current settings. When the video is ready, preview it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI to create amazing content. We all know the struggle of staring at a blank screen, trying to find that spark of inspiration. It can be exhausting.
And that's how you can create an AI avatar video using HeyGen. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.